So I did recently a video on the benefit of having a consistent practice that you do every day. And a big part of that was momentum, because that's really the force that's going to keep you going, even on days where there is no inspiration or drive to do much. So momentum basically builds up over time. For example, you have a meditation practice, 30 minutes each day, for example, and you do it for a week, you do it for a month, you do it for 3 months, 6 months perhaps. In the beginning, you might rely upon willpower or inspiration to get going. But once you reach a certain point, you'll just see it will happen automatically. And that's the point where momentum has started to kick in. And that's the moment you don't have to force yourself to do it, motivate yourself to do it, hype yourself up to do it, because it will happen with minimal effort, because there's a certain force behind it already, which you will have to, it will be harder to stop it, which is a good thing if what you build momentum behind is a thing that lifts you up. So obviously that's a nice thing when things go by themselves, but it will take some time to build up that momentum. For example, 3 months. Now the power of momentum is often felt when you stop it. I've noticed this. I had a practice I did for 4 years, which I did no matter the situation, but then stopped doing it for a week because I was traveling and backpacking, and it was pretty hard to do. And after that 1 week, the difficulty of doing it daily again became very difficult, because the momentum was lost, and it was a question of willpower to do it again every day, instead of it just happening naturally without any effort. So momentum is a powerful thing. Many times you realize it only when it's lost, but once you have it, it could be a good idea to keep it going. And especially if it's a good thing. If it's a thing that you know does you good, for example, meditation practice, if that can be automated, if that can happen naturally every day, I think that's a nice thing. So yeah, thank you for watching.